The right and wrong milks. After 60, 8 types seniors should know. Imagine this, my friends. You open the fridge in the morning, pour a nice, cold glass of milk, and think to yourself, good for my bones, right? That's what we've been told for decades. But after 60, things change. The same milk that helped you grow strong bones at 30 can quietly work against you now. No scare tactics here, just truth and science told in plain words. Because some milks protect aging bones and brains, and others quietly inflame your joints, raise your blood sugar, and even cloud your memory. Let's talk about how to tell the difference. As we age, the body becomes less forgiving. Digestion slows, kidneys filter more slowly, muscles shrink faster, and our hormones shift. That means foods and drinks we once handled easily can now create real trouble. Milk is one of those tricky items. It can be a healing food or a silent trigger, depending on what kind you pour. So today, let's unpack this together, with care, not fear. We'll look at 4 milks that quietly harm seniors over 60, and 4 that truly nourish bones, digestion, and memory. But before we start, I want to share a simple framework that keeps everything balanced and safe. 3 golden words to remember for every food and drink choice after 60. Timing. Your digestion, hormones, and even blood pressure follow a daily rhythm. Milk early in the day helps energy and calcium absorption. Too late at night, it can disturb sleep or trigger reflux. Balance. Even healthy milk can cause problems if you drink too much or mix it with sugar or flavored syrups. Moderation keeps your gut and heart steady. Awareness. Listen to your body. If you notice bloating, fatigue, muscle weakness, or swelling in the legs after drinking milk, your body's trying to tell you something. Timing. Balance. Awareness. Keep these 3 words in your kitchen and you'll stay miles ahead. Now, let's start with the 4 milks most older adults should think twice about. Number 4, sweetened almond milk. At first glance, almond milk seems perfect. Light, plant-based, dairy-free. But here's the catch. Most commercial versions are loaded with added sugar and almost no real almonds. A study from the Journal of Endocrinology and Aging, 2022, found that older adults who regularly drank sweetened non-dairy milks had nearly 40% higher risk of insulin resistance and belly fat gain. And remember, after 60, insulin sensitivity drops naturally. That means even small sugar hits harder. Fatigue, stiffness, and creeping waistline fat. To make things worse, most almond milk brands contain less than 2% almonds. The rest is water, thickeners, and flavor chemicals. The safe swap, choose unsweetened, calcium and vitamin D fortified almond milk. Check the label. No added sugar should be the first sign you're on the right track. A splash in your coffee or oatmeal is fine. Just skip the vanilla delight versions. They're dessert in disguise. Number 3, unfortified oat milk. Oat milk has become the cafe darling. Creamy, vegan, and everywhere. But for seniors, unfortified oat milk can be a hidden nutrient thief. Why? Because it's often missing calcium and vitamin D, the very nutrients your bones desperately need after 60. Worse still, oats naturally contain phytic acid, a compound that binds to calcium and magnesium, blocking absorption. A 2021 clinical nutrition and aging study found seniors who relied on unfortified oat milk lost bone density faster and felt more fatigue and balance issues. Oat milk is also carb-heavy, and many brands sneak in sugar or oils to make it creamier. That combo can send blood sugar soaring, which weakens muscles over time. The fix: choose fortified, unsweetened oat milk with at least 25% of your daily calcium and vitamin D. Avoid barista blends. They often contain extra oils that upset digestion. Oat milk can be part of your diet, but it needs the right nutrients to earn its place. Number 2, flavored, lactose-free milk. Now, this one surprises many folks. If you're lactose intolerant, lactose-free milk sounds like a blessing, and it can be. But the flavored versions, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, they're sugar bombs. Many contain more added sugar than a can of soda. A 2022 gerontological nutrition study found older adults drinking flavored lactose-free milk had over 40% higher insulin levels and more belly fat within just 6 months. Add to that artificial sweeteners, gums, and hydrogenated oils, all of which can worsen inflammation and cholesterol, and your gentle milk turns into a metabolic trap. Safe swap. Stick with plain, unsweetened, lactose-free milk. Add your own touch of cinnamon, nutmeg, or a few berries for flavor. That way you get calcium and protein, minus the trouble. Number 1. Ultra-pasteurized. A1 cow's milk. Ah, the classic. The milk we grew up with. cheap, familiar, and comforting. But the science today tells a different story for aging bodies. Most commercial cow's milk contains A1 beta-casein, a type of protein linked to gut inflammation, joint stiffness, and even brain fog. And after 60, digestion weakens. That's when A1 milk starts to cause real discomfort. A 2020 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition trial found seniors who drank A1 milk had over 30% higher inflammation markers and reported more fatigue and stiffness than those who switched to A2 milk. And that's not all. Ultra-pasteurization, heating milk to extreme temperatures for long shelf life, destroys natural enzymes and damages proteins. That means less nutrition, more bloating, and faster cellular aging. Safe choice? Avoid ultra-pasteurized A1 milk. Look for A2 milk, goat milk, or fermented milk like kefir instead. And when possible, choose gently pasteurized or grass-fed sources. Remember, after 60, the milk you choose isn't just about taste. It's about how your body recovers and stays strong. If you've found this helpful so far, would you mind giving this video a like? It really helps the channel reach more folks over 60 who want to stay active and sharp. And if you're new here, hit subscribe. We post every week with science-backed, easy-to-follow health tips. Now, the fun part. Let's flip the story and discover the 4 best milks that can support your bones, gut, and brain. Number 4, goat milk. Goat milk doesn't get much attention, but it should. It's naturally rich in A2 protein, which is far easier to digest than the inflammatory A1 found in most cow's milk. For anyone over 60 dealing with gas, bloating, or reflux, switching to goat milk often brings relief in just days. A study from the British Journal of Nutrition showed older adults who replaced cow's milk with goat milk for 8 weeks had 26% less gut inflammation and absorbed calcium more effectively. Goat milk also contains calcium, phosphorus, and zinc, all vital for strong bones and muscles, and medium-chain fats that turn into quick, usable energy. Tip: warm a small cup of goat milk with a pinch of cinnamon in the evening. It calms the stomach, supports sleep, and nourishes muscles overnight. Number 3, unsweetened calcium-fortified almond milk. Here's where almond milk redeems itself, when chosen wisely. Unsweetened calcium-fortified almond milk is light, gentle on digestion, and free from lactose and casein. That means less gas and inflammation for sensitive stomachs. A 2021 nutrition and clinical practice study found seniors who replaced dairy with fortified almond milk had 32% less joint stiffness and steadier blood sugar within 10 weeks. It's also rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that supports memory and protects brain cells from oxidative stress. How to enjoy? Blend it with berries and flaxseed for a breakfast smoothie, or pour it over oatmeal. Just make sure unsweetened and fortified are on the label. Number 2, kefir, fermented milk. If there's one drink that deserves to be called healing, this is it. Kefir is a fermented milk full of live bacteria and yeast, more than 30 strains that rebuild your gut health and improve immunity. As we age, gut diversity drops, making digestion harder. Kefir restores that balance. A 2020 Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience study found seniors who drank kefir daily for 12 weeks had 33% more diverse gut bacteria, better vitamin D absorption, and even improved balance and focus. And here's the big bonus. Kefir naturally contains vitamin K2, which directs calcium into your bones instead of letting it harden your arteries, a common risk after 60. How to use? Drink a small glass at breakfast or lunch. Blend it with blueberries or chia seeds. Always pick unsweetened, whole milk kefir with live cultures listed on the label. It may not taste fancy, but it quietly does wonders. Number 1, full-fat A2 milk. Finally, the winner. At first glance, A2 milk looks just like the old milk you grew up with, but the protein inside is what makes the difference. Unlike A1 milk, A2 milk contains only A2 beta-casein, easier on digestion, less inflammatory, and better for nutrient absorption. In a 2021 European Journal of Clinical Nutrition study, seniors who switched to A2 milk reported 64% fewer digestive issues and better calcium retention. It also keeps all the good stuff, protein, B12, and calcium, and supports muscle and brain function with its healthy fats. How to enjoy? Drink it warm before bed or pour it over oats and fruit in the morning. Choose full-fat, grass-fed A2 milk whenever possible. Avoid flavored or ultra-pasteurized versions. For seniors, this isn't just milk. It's daily nutrition that strengthens bones, fuels muscles, and sharpens the mind. Let's wrap this up simply. D.O. Choose unsweetened, fortified options. A. 2 milk, kefir, goat milk, or fortified almond milk. Drink earlier in the day for better digestion. Warm milk gently. Avoid boiling. Stay hydrated and keep calcium-rich foods balanced with protein and fiber. Avoid sweetened or flavored milks with sugar or syrups. Ultra-pasteurized. A1 milk. Barista blends full of oils and gums. Drinking milk too late at night, especially if you have reflux or insomnia. Monitor. Watch for bloating, dizziness, joint pain, or changes in blood sugar. If symptoms persist, talk with your doctor or dietitian, especially if you take medications for heart, kidney, or diabetes conditions. Q1. Do I need to stop drinking milk completely after 60? Number 1. You just need the right kind and amount. Think of it as upgrading, not quitting. Q2. Is plant milk better than dairy? It depends. Fortified plant milks are good for some, but dairy like kefir or A2 milk offers unique nutrients like K2 and B12. Q3. Can I make kefir at home? Yes, you can buy kefir grains and ferment at room temperature. But for safety, start with store-bought live culture kefir first. Q4. I have diabetes. Which milk is safest? Unsweetened almond or A2 milk are usually best. Always check labels. Sugar hides under many names. Q5. Can I mix milks? Sure. Half goat milk, half almond milk, for example. Just keep it simple, natural, and unsweetened. This video is for educational purposes only. It's not a substitute for personal medical advice. If you take medication or have chronic conditions, please discuss any diet changes, including milk, with your doctor or pharmacist. If this video helped you see milk in a new light, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps more older adults discover balanced, science-based health tips. And if you know a friend over 60 who still drinks the old milk, share this video. It could make a real difference. Remember, your choices today protect your freedom tomorrow. Here's to strong bones, steady steps, and a clear mind every single day. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It helps more seniors discover healthy living they can trust.